Okay, today we're recording our electronics project, which is the smoke detector. We've broken the smoke detector down into 4 phases. The first phase is an LDR and a comparator. When LDR senses smoke, the output is 2.7 volts. Then the comparator sends 5 volts to the transistor as a switch and the oscillator. When it is 5 volts, the red LED turns on, and the oscillator sends out a square wave to the push-pull amplifier, which then sends out sound to the speaker. When the LDR senses no smoke, the voltage is 2.5 or less. Then the comparator sends out 0 volts to the oscillator and to the transistor as a switch. When there's 0 volts, the green LED is on, and the oscillator doesn't send out a square wave, which means that there is no sound from the speaker.